Teacher, can we have the spotlight on me? Yes. Okay, Jabin teacher. Are we ready for the segment? Yes. Oh my God. Everybody mute. Everybody mute. Please mute everybody.
Good morning. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Now everybody mute.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning all of you. And now everybody will be on mute. Okay, nobody is going to be nobody is going to talk. You all are going to listen to Lubaina teacher. Lubaina teacher has got the guitar back. Can you hear the sound? Yes. And today Lubaina teacher has got something very nice. See, he is my Kasrat man. I'll tell him, Kasrat man, go up. Oh, he went up. I'll say, Kasrat man, go down. Oh, he goes down. Kasrat man, go up. Oh, he's going up. Now go down. Yay! Kasrat man, go round and round. Round and round. Come on, Kasrat man. Yay! Clap, 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 clap for Kasrat man. See how he's doing. Now, Kasrat man, please go down. Again, 1, 2, 3. Up, 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 up. Oi! See how he does his exercise. He's a very strong man. Now tell him to be down. Oh, come on, Kasrat man, go up. Hey, he's gone up. Kasrat man, go down. Yay. So see how he's going round and round and round. Round and round. Yay. You like my Kasrat man? He's an exercise. Every morning he does exercise. He pulls the bar. He does leg exercise like Munira teacher makes you do. Jabin teacher makes you do. So he's also doing all type of exercise. Okay. So now exercise time is there every time. But today is a fun day. We are going to have action songs, your favorite. Okay. Now there's going to be a song. And first I'll show you which actions you are. Come on, everybody, shake, 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 shake. Show me, shake, 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 shake. Everybody shake. When the word comes shake, you have to shake like salt and pepper. Now roll, 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 roll. Everybody roll, roll, roll. When the word comes roll, you are rolling. Now pop, pop, popcorn, popcorn, popping, pop, 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 pop. Come on, do it. Yes. Now wave. Come on, wave. Wave. How the wave goes? Come on, take your hand like me. Wave. Okay. This is the waves going. Yes. Now flip. How mama makes eggs? Flip. 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 Very good. Now bounce. You know to bounce your ball now. Come on, bounce. Bounce, 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 bounce. Now twirl. Come on, everybody, twirl like Lubaina teacher. Twirl. Okay. Now clean like a vacuum cleaner. Now you must be jharu, pocha karte ho na. How does the vacuum cleaner move? Like this. Now, when you spread butter sandwich, chutney sandwich, peanut butter, chocolate, spread karo, spread, spread, spread. Very good. Now, how does the flower bloom? Bloom, 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 bloom. Come on, do actions like this. Bloom, bloom. Yes. Now jiggle. Come on, everybody. Join your hands like this. And jiggle, 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 jiggle with Lubaina teacher. Now, how does the star sparkle? Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Okay. So this is how you're going to do. And my monkey is going to watch everybody. Okay. My monkey is also going to dance with you. And he's going to say thumbs up. Whoever does very nicely. Are we ready for the song? Whatever the words in the song say to do actions, you have to do it. Show me a thumbs up, monkey. Show your thumbs up. Monkey is ready. Are you ready? Yes. Let's have the song, Jabin teacher.
Jack Hartman.
Kids Music Channel. shake it like a salt shaker, shake, shake.
I can shake it like a salt shaker, shake, shake.
I can roll it like a roller coaster, roll, roll.
I can roll it like a roller coaster, roll, roll.
I can pop it like some popcorn, pop, pop.
I can pop it like some popcorn, pop, pop.
I can wave it like the ocean, wave, wave.
I can wave it like the ocean, wave, wave.
Like a monkey in a tree, sway and swing.
Like a monkey in a tree, sway and swing.
I can move my body like anything.
I can move my body like anything.
I can flip it like a pancake, flip, flip.
I can flip it like a pancake, flip, flip.
I can bounce it like a basketball, bounce, bounce.
I can bounce it like a basketball, bounce, bounce.
I can twirl it like a dancer, twirl, twirl.
I can twirl like a dancer, twirl, twirl.
I can clean it like a vacuum cleaner, clean, clean.
I can clean it like a vacuum cleaner, clean, clean.
Like a monkey in a tree, sway and swing.
Like a monkey in a tree, sway and swing.
I can move my body like anything.
I can move my body like anything.
I can spread it like some peanut butter, spread, spread.
I can spread it like some peanut butter, spread, spread.
I can bloom it like a flower, bloom, bloom.
I can bloom it like a flower, bloom, bloom.
I can jiggle like some jello, jiggle, jiggle.
I can jiggle like some jello, jiggle, jiggle.
I can sparkle like a star, sparkle, sparkle.
Sparkle like a star, sparkle, sparkle.
Like a monkey in a tree, sway and swing.
Like a monkey in a tree, sway and swing.
I can move my body like anything.
I can move my body like anything.
Did you enjoy? Yes? Everybody enjoyed? Show me thumbs up. You want to do it again? Yes? Okay, we'll do one more song. Let's play again. We'll repeat. There were many actions in the song. Okay? Now, another video. Video will come and Jabin teacher will show you something very nice. And this video has slow movements and fast movements. And listen, children, you have to get up from your bed. Nobody is going to do it on the bed, on the floor, okay? Or on the bed also you can dance, okay? So, Jabin teacher, can we have the video, please?
Come on, everybody. Let's do some fast and slow things together. We are jumping up and down, jumping up and down. We all are jumping up and down, jumping up and down, jumping up and down. We all are jumping up and down. We're jumping up and down, jumping up and down. We all are jumping up and down, jumping up and down, jumping up and down. We all are jumping up and down. We are bending over, bending over. We all are bending over, bending over, bending over. We all are bending. We are running really fast, running really fast. We all are running really fast, running really fast, running really fast. We all are running really fast. We're running really fast, running really fast. We all are running really fast, running really fast, running really fast. We all are running really fast. We are hiding our eyes, hiding our eyes. We all are hiding our eyes, hiding our eyes, hiding our eyes. We all are hiding. We are swimming in the water, swimming in the water. We all are swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. We all are swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. We all are swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. We all are swimming in the water. We are climbing a ladder, climbing a ladder. We all are climbing a ladder, climbing a ladder, climbing a ladder. We all are climbing. We are bouncing bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down. We all are bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down. We all are bouncing up and down. We're bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down. We all are bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down. We all are bouncing up and down. We are falling to the ground, falling to the ground. We all are falling to the ground, falling to the ground, falling to the ground. We all are falling to the ground. Yes, we did it. Yes, we did it. Oh, yes, we did. Yes, we did it. Yes, we did it. Hooray! Yes, we did.
Wow, that was fun. Yes, you all enjoyed. Did you fall down? Everybody fell down. And we said in the end, yes, we did it. Everybody say, yes, we did it. Come on, say, yes, we did it. Thumbs up. All of you. And monkey say, very nicely, everybody. Very nicely. I could see all the children jumping and hopping around. Thank you. Bye. Next time, a big thumbs up and a flying kiss from the monkey, okay? Chalo now. Let's go. Where are we going to go? We are going to see the vegetables. And Manira teacher is going to show you lovely vegetables. Vegetables you don't like to eat, no? And after seeing the lesson, you will say, I want to eat vegetables, okay?
Come, Joanna, why are you going there?
Where are you, Munira teacher? Yes, Munira teacher. Can we have you?
I am here.
Come
How
on.
are you all? Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Hello.
Yes, Munira teacher.
Can you
We
hear
are
me?
searching for you.
Very good. You all can hear me? Good morning. Okay. Everyone, join your hands. Join your hands and come on. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. God bless my daddy too. God bless me and God bless you. God bless everyone. God bless everyone. Okay, open your eyes. Okay, last time we had learned about underground vegetables. You all remember? Tina had come to our class. She had gone to the market also to buy underground vegetables. But today, this underground vegetables are going to the garden. Which were the underground vegetables we learned last time? Onions, potato, carrot, and beetroot. These 4 underground vegetables, they have come to the garden. Okay, and these vegetables, they grow under the ground ke niche. But you know what? When they came to the garden, they made more friends. They made more vegetable friends. You know, who did they meet? Okay. Abracadabra, gilly, choo. Which vegetable is this? Can you all see the vegetable? Which vegetable is this?
Ice cream.
This
Cauliflower.
is cauliflower. And cauliflower said, hello. Hello, friends. How are you all? I am your new friend. You all are underground vegetables. But I grow on the ground. Yes, cauliflower grows on the ground. Ground ke upar. And How does cauliflower, why is it called cauliflower? It looks like a flower. The shape of the cauliflower is like a flower. And it has got flower. And you know what? The color of the flower is white. And these are the leaves. They are green. But the color of the cauliflower is white. And it is very healthy vegetable. It has got lots of vitamins in it. And you know what? You can't eat this vegetable raw. You need to cook it or boil it. Mama used this vegetable in the soup. You all like to have soup, right? You all like to have? Yes. Mama uses this vegetable in the soup. And it is very, very tasty vegetable. Okay, now cauliflower and underground vegetables, they became friends. They became friends. And now, which vegetable comes next? कौन सा vegetable आ रहा है? Abracadabra, gilly, 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 gilly. Choo! Which vegetable is this? Cabbage. Yes. Cabbage. Yes, this is a cabbage. And cabbage. Come on, say hello to the new friends. Come on, come on. Hello. Hello. Okay. The cabbage said, I grow on the ground. These are underground friends. And he grows on the ground. Wow, lovely. You know what? What is the color of the cabbage? Can you tell me the color? Cabbage is of 3 colors. Okay. Green color, white color, and purple color. And cabbage has got lots of vitamins and fibers. And you know what? Cabbage has lots of layers on it. See, it has got so many layers over here. Can you all see the layers? It has got so many layers on it. Okay, and cabbage is very tasty. You can eat cabbage raw also. Okay, and it is round in shape. Look at the cabbage shape. Okay, cabbage and underground vegetable, they became friends. Yay! Wow. Cabbage will go. Okay. Now I'm going to call one more vegetable. Okay, which is going to become friend. And he's also come for a walk. Abracadabra, gilly, gilly, choo. Oh, which vegetable is this? Which vegetable is this?
Tomato.
No.
Pumpkin.
It is pumpkin. Yes. Look at this pumpkin. Pumpkin. And pumpkin is come to say hello. Hello. Hello, underground vegetables. Hello. And pumpkin grows on the ground. And pumpkin, what is the shape of pumpkin? Pumpkin has got ball. It looks like a ball. It is round in shape. Yes, and it is orange in color. And it is a big vegetable. And you know what? You can make pulp out of it. जब इसको आप काटोगे ना और उससे पल्प अंदर पल्प भी बना सकते हो. There are so many seeds inside pumpkin. You can, Mama cooks a pumpkin also. You all eat pumpkin? She makes gravy out of pumpkin. You can use pumpkin in the dessert also. जब कोई मीठा बनाते हैं उसमें भी pumpkin डालते हैं. Okay, and pumpkin grows on the ground. So pumpkin, cauliflower, and cabbage, they are, yes, these three, pumpkin, cauliflower, and cabbage, the vegetables, they grow on the ground. Ground के ऊपर उगते हैं. And onion, potato, and carrot, and beetroot grows under the ground. And all these vegetables are very, very healthy. You must eat vegetables. Okay. And it gives us lots of vitamins, and it gives us lots of vitamins and fibers. Okay, it keeps us fit and fine. Okay, now you all want to do activity on this? Yes? Let's do the activity. Now I want you all to tell me which vegetable is underground and which grows on the ground, and which vegetable grows
Under.
on the ground, under the ground. Okay. Now, abracadabra.
Onion grows on the ground. Under the ground.
Under the ground. Under the ground.
Tell me which vegetable is this?
अभी कौन सा है?
Which vegetable?
Please mute from your end also. Let the teacher speak. You don't have to unmute. You can tell your mama what is this.
Cauliflower.
Beetroot. On the ground. This is carrot. It grows. Where does it grow? It grows under the ground. See, this is the activity. Very good. Now we are going to do one more activity. My God, can you see this? Look at this. There are vegetables in this. What you have to do is, there are the numbers over here. You have to count. Look at this. This is a 5 number. Now you have to count this and you have to circle. This is a 5. So you have to circle the 5 papers. Okay. This is a paper. Now circle paper. How many? 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have to circle 5. We have to circle 5 papers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and Okay. Now, there are, these are the carrots. Now we need to circle 7 carrots. So, let's count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We are going to circle 7 carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now this is number 4. So we are going to circle 4 onions. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 circles. Now these are 3 radish. So we have to circle 3 radish. 1, 2, and 3 radish. See? Now I'm going to give you this activity on WhatsApp. Okay, you all have to make it, right? You have to do this activity. Okay, say yes, teacher. Now, do you all want to? You want to see the video on vegetables? Yes?
Yes.
Can we have
Yeah, we have
video?
the video because your video is not coming clear because of the low bandwidth.
Oh.
Carrot, carrot, cabbage, cabbage, broccoli, broccoli. 1, 2, 3. Let's chop some carrots, carrots. Na na na. Let's chop some cabbage, cabbage. Na na na. Let's chop some broccoli, broccoli. Na na na. Some vegetables for you and me. Carrot, cabbage, broccoli. Carrot, cabbage, broccoli. Some vegetables for you and me. And we sing na na na. Na na na. And we sing na na na. Na na na. Vegetables for you, you. Vegetables for me, me. Vegetables for you and me. One more time. Vegetables for you, you. Vegetables for me, me. Vegetables for you and me. Potato, potato. Spinach, spinach. Celery, celery. 1, 2, 3. Let's chop potatoes, potatoes. Na na na. Let's chop some spinach, spinach. Na na na. Let's chop some celery, celery. Na na na. Some vegetables for you and me. Potato, spinach, celery. Potato, spinach, celery. Some vegetables for you and me. And we sing na na na. Na na na. And we sing na na na. Na na na. Vegetables for you, you. Vegetables for me, me. Vegetables for you and me. One more time. Vegetables for you, you. Vegetables for me, me. Vegetables for you and me.
Wow. So what happened in the garden? All these vegetables underground and the vegetables underground, they became friends. They became friends and they had a good time. They became friends and in the last they all said bye to each other. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
And they all went back Today, I hope you all enjoyed the vegetable class. Yes? Yes? Good. Now you are going to have vegetables every day. Tell your mama to give you vegetables every day because it will keep you fit and fine. Okay. Now
Can we
I'm
see
going
one
to
time the
call
cauliflower, the cabbage, Munira teacher, because the video was not clear. Can we just once have fast, quick recap of the cabbage and the cauliflower because we couldn't see the video when your session was going on. Yeah,
Okay.
just a quick recap. Yeah.
Yes, yes, sure, sure. Okay, this is a cauliflower. Cauliflower. Why is it called cauliflower? Because it looks like a flower. Okay, and it is white in color, and it has got so many vitamins and fibers. It is very, very good for health. Okay, and it is very tasty vegetable. You need to cook this cauliflower. And mama, what does mama do? Mama makes Manchurian, no? Mama makes Manchurian out of cauliflower, and cauliflower you can use it in the soup also. Okay, and cabbage. Cabbage is very good for health. It is good for the salad. It is round in shape, and you get cabbage in 3 colors: green, white, and purple. And see, it has got so many layers on this. Wow. And it has got lots of vitamins and fibers. And you must eat cabbage every day. Okay. And you can use cabbage in the salad. And you can eat cabbage raw also. You don't need only to cook. Okay. Say bye-bye to cabbage. Bye-bye to cauliflower. Bye-bye to pumpkin. Bye. Everybody say bye. Should I call Lubana ma'am?
Yes, Lubana teacher will take you to the world of leaves. Oh my God.
Hi.
There is
back
Lubana
again.
teacher.
From the action songs. You saw the Kasrat Wala, na? The Kasrat Wala ate so many vegetables. That is why the Kasrat Wala was strong. So you must also eat vegetables. And now everything is green out here. Do you see? You know what we are going to do today? Today is Wednesday time, candy time. And today we are going to have fun with leaves. Yes, I'm sure don't play with your leaves till Lubana teacher tells you. First,
Lubana
listen
teacher
to
first.
Lubana teacher, and then we will do whatever we have to do with the leaves. Okay? So here it is. Abracadabra, gilly gilly cho. Oh my God! There is a huge tree. The tree has barks. But what is missing in the tree? What is missing? There are no leaves. There are no leaves. How you, as a boy or a girl, what is there on your head? All hair grows on your head, no? So same way, this tree, what grows on the bark of the tree? Many leaves. Okay? Do you have one head? No. You have lot of hair, no? So the tree also does not have one leaf. It has many leaves. So let's put the leaves, otherwise the tree will cry. Where are my leaves? Where are my leaves? Come on, we'll do counting with the leaves, okay? Come on, everybody say with me. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little leaves. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little leaves. 7 little, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little leaves, 10 little leaves on the tree. Oh, now the tree is looking very, very colorful. And see, all the leaves are there on the tree. The tree is happy. I got my leaves back. So today we are going to learn lot of things with the leaves, okay? So this is the counting with the leaf. Now we are going to learn we are going to see one by one all the leaves here. Can you see a leaf? A big leaf I've put. And leaf, your name starts now. L for Lubaina, teacher also. L for leaf. Okay? L for leaf says L. See how I put my tongue on my palate up. L, L, L. Come on, everybody, do with me. L for leaf says L, L, L. Okay? Standing line, sleeping line, L. L for leaf says L, L, L. Oh my! Today we had gone to the garden, and Lubaina teacher has a beautiful garden down near a house. I didn't go to school, but in my house, opposite in my garden, there's a big garden, and there are many trees and many leaves. And then you know what? She picked up some leaves to show you. I was shocked to see so many different kinds of leaf. Okay, I'm going to show you one by one everything, and you all tell me how it is. Okay, first I saw a big leaf. See, this is a big leaf. Can you see this? Yes. And see, in one big leaf there are many long leaves. I was fascinated, and I said, oh my God, lovely. I can make a fan out of leaf. I can do jhatka with this leaf. See, this is, I can see you with this, my face. Yes. Then I saw one big leaf like this. Have you seen this in your garden? See, it is green and it has got all lines, yellow lines on it. Yes, can you see such a big leaf? And I said, oh my God, this is a very beautiful leaf. I've never seen this leaf. Then I saw one more leaf like this, big leaf, and it has all leaves one by one arranged. So there were so many variety of leaf. Then the Lubaina teacher said, oh my God, leaf is so good. I must get more leaves. Okay, you want to see more leaves? First, we will do different shapes of leaf. I'm going to show you. Now, first I'm going to show you this. Okay. Now see, can you see? This is a leaf. Yes, this is a leaf. Yes. Can you see this leaf? And what is there in the leaf? Can you see these lines? These are all cross lines, slant lines of the leaf. Now, can you see your hand? Yes. On your hand behind, you see all the nerves. Same way, all the lines are on the leaf. And what does it do? The leaf takes the sunlight, the leaf takes the water, and from these veins, they go to the center line, and then they go to the plant. They supply the food to the plant. Okay? So the leaf helps. How your hands help now to hold things, to catch things. So the leaf also helps to supply the food, to give food to the plant. Okay? So they are called the veins. Also you see your leaf properly. Okay? All leaves have veins. Okay? And then now I'm going to show you different shapes. Oh, see, can you see? This is like a heart-shaped leaf. Yes. This is like a heart-shaped leaf. Lovely. Yes. See, God has made it. God's nature is so beautiful. You have have anybody got this? It looks like a bunny rabbit also to me. Then this is a long leaf with all the veins. See? Yes. Then I have a leaf which has a flower. See? There are leaves, small leaves. And what blooms? The flower blooms. See the flower also you can see? Yes, the flower is blooming. Then I have a nice heart-shaped leaf here. See this? Lovely. This is also a heart-shaped leaf. Now, I'm going to show you something else. Now, this is a see this leaf. Can you see? Big leaf, small leaf. There are different leaves. Big leaf and small leaf. brown leaf and fat leaf and thin leaf. Okay. Now, I'll show you something. Oh my God. See this? Can you see? Leaves are not one color. They are all different color. This is light green and this is dark green. This is dark green and this is light green. There are different colors. Now, if you are talking about colors, I have got lovely leaves. Yay! Oh my God, this leaf is there. Can you see? Have you seen such beautiful leaf? Yes, this is dark green. This is light green. And some leaves are brown color. I have never seen brown color leaves. But when I went in the garden, I saw brown color leaves also. And look at this leaf. There is half light green and half dark green. It is all different colors of leaves you find in the garden. Now, when you go to the garden, you see properly. Ooh, this is a long leaf and this is a short leaf. This is a long leaf and this is a short leaf. And one more. I have. Yes. Some leaves. This is one leaf. And these are many leaves. One leaf, many leaves. One leaf, many leaves. So you did so many things, okay? Now can we unmute them and we can ask them the different questions on leaf? Yes, 1 minute. Then we'll
take their names. So just don't ask.
Yeah. Now who will tell me? You all have seen this, right? Now tell.
Yeah, Lubaina ma'am, unmute yourself. Let me unmute them one by one. Otherwise, all talk together. Okay, I will unmute.
Okay.
Just
This
wait.
is
Yes.
big leaf and small leaf. Big leaf and small leaf. Come on, tell me. Who will tell me this?
Karanveer and Siddhi, come on.
Karanveer, come on, tell me. What is the concept? What do you see in this leaf? Big and small. Now I will tell me. Come on, who will tell me in this? What do you see in this? Which concept you see?
Burhanuddin and Batul, okay?
Come on, Burhanuddin. Long, short, long leaf, short leaf. And here we see the different colors of the leaf. Okay. Now let's do something. You know what has happened? The leaf. Yes. Now who's walking? In the garden. Then Lubaina teacher saw somebody walking in the garden. I am hungry. What will I eat? What will I eat? Mujhe khana do. Will this caterpillar eat roti? No. This caterpillar will eat sabzi? No. This caterpillar will eat leaf. He's searching for the leaf. Mujhe bahut bhook lagi hai. Mujhe leaf khana hai. And then he goes climb. It eats the leaf. Okay. Now this is all these holes. Can you see the holes? Yes. Here one hole. Two hole. And here all. See what is it? The caterpillar has eaten this leaf. He eats it, nibbles the leaves like this. Okay. Do you want to see how the caterpillar eats the leaves? Debbie teacher, can we have a video? Yes, see how the caterpillar eats the leaves.
Ta-la-la, yummy leaves. Ta-la-la, yummy leaves. Yum, yum, yummy leaves. Yum.
I'm a hungry caterpillar. I love to eat. Yummy. When I grow up, I'll be a beautiful butterfly.
I'm a hungry caterpillar. I love to eat. Yummy. When I grow up, I'll be a beautiful butterfly. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Wow. Yum, 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 yummy leaves.
Yummy.
We are hungry caterpillars. And we're
Wow, see how the caterpillar ate all the leaves. And see, Lubina teacher has stuck different variety of leaves. You can see this leaf looks like a star. It has got 3 leaves. See here, 1, 2, 3. Then this is like a small. See, can you see? This leaf has all small dots in it. And this leaf has big round hearts in it. And this is a bunch of leaves. So when you go to the garden, you will see a variety of leaves, okay? Now it's time to do some activity, yes? Now first, not the beat, not that place, okay? I will show you something else also, okay? Now let me take one leaf, yes. Where is my leaf? Yes. Now see this leaf I have, okay? Now what am I do? We'll paint the leaf green because mostly we see green leaves. So Lubina teacher is going to put it like this. First behind me, okay? Now I'm going to put paint on this leaf. See how I'm putting. Let's paint the green leaves. Let's paint the green leaves on the paper. On the paper. Yes, I'm going to put the green leaf on it. And then, see, I have put paint on this. And now I'm going to have a leaf impression. Okay, see, I'm going to put it on a plain paper and I'm going to press it. Press from everywhere. Press. Yes. I'm going to press it. Now, is it pressed properly? Yes, all the paint. Now, 1, 2, 3, and yay! My leaf is come. This is my impression of the leaf. Yes? So like this, you have to make an impression and see what can you make. Can you see this bag? Yes? See, I have put a leaf. I made a bag out of a paper. And then I have put it, and on that I put the impression. I painted the leaf and I pressed it. And this is my bag ready. Go green. It is a environment friendly bag. You can make a bag like this with your leaf print. And see, the leaves are so light. If I put it in my hand, if I put one leaf and blow, ooh, it blows. Why? Because the leaves are very light. See, 1, 2, 3, blow. Yay, it blows. Come on, 1, 2, 3, blow. Yay, it blows. So when the wind blows, then the trees which have become old, they fall off by themselves. And the young tree and the young leaves, they are very strong. They are small. So they slowly grow. And when they become old, they fall off. Okay, and new leaves comes. So this was painting. Now everybody has this thing. Come on, everybody, show me. Did Mama give you 5 leaves? Okay, I have got 5 leaves. Come on, you also count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, take your leaves, everybody. I want to see and make a fan of your leaf. Come on, let's make a fan of all the 5. 5. Ooh. Everybody has 5 leaves. Show me like this. Everybody has 5 leaves. Yes. And everybody has a shoelace. You'll have a shoelace. Yes. Come on. Now it's time to do something with me. Okay. Lubina teacher has been talking. Now it's time to do things together with you. Okay. So what are you going to do? You're going to take this. Okay. You're going to hold a bead lace like this. Okay. Towards the tip. Okay. Now take one leaf. Come on, do with me. Take Jabin teacher, Munira teacher, please watch them doing it. Who's doing very nicely. Now, what are you going to do? Mama has punched holes. Yes, you're going to beat the leaves. Okay, come on, everybody. 1 and yay! My leaf is coming, my leaf. Then I'm going. Come on, everybody's done 1. Yes, Now 2 leaves. Second leaf is going in. Yay! See, I have 2 leaves. Okay, anybody has done 2 leaves? Show me. Yes? Okay. Now should I start the third one? Ready? 1, 2, and 3. See, I've put 3 leaves on my string. Everybody's done it? Am I right? I can see you. You don't have your leaves, dear. Come on, everybody do it. Now I will see who's going to do it. Now I'll take again this. I'm going to put my 4th leaf. And yay, this is my 4th leaf inside. And now I'm going to do my 5th leaf. I'm going to put this 5th leaf inside. Yay! Yes, see my land is ready. Show me yours. Jabin teacher, Munira teacher, are they doing it?
Yes, yes, they all are doing it. They are doing it. Mama is also helping.
They're doing it. Yeah, can you please
Yeah.
video the children so we can see them one by one, or it's okay? Yes, come on, 2 minutes and very good. I can see June's leaf. I can see Siddhi's leaf. I can see Gauram's leaf. I can see, yes, come on, very nice. Did you enjoy? Wear it around your neck. This is my leaf garland. Yes, lovely. You can do it. Space out your leaves, okay? Who got actual leaves? Anybody's got actual leaves? I can see Siddhi with actual leaves. Yes.
Nivan has got actual leaves.
Yes, very good, Nivan. And some mama has cut it out of a paper. Yes, you can do this, okay? Very good.
Teacher,
Yes, tell me. Meet, yes, very good, Meet. I can see yours also. Kanishka, I can see yours. Are you doing it? I can see Mehani's leaves, Anisha's leaf also. Alakmar has also done a good job. And I can see Vedant, and I can see Hamza, and we are lovely. And Atharva also very nice. Oh my God, Nirvi is worn it around the neck. And Shreya is also lovely, Amatullah. Very nice. All of you are doing very nice. Swara, very good. I can see Insia also.
I can
Insia,
see
where
the
are
man
your
already
leaves?
wearing the leaves.
Huh?
Man is already wearing the leaves.
Very nice.
I just video
Lovely.
him. Yeah, see, yeah.
So today we have done a lovely activity with leaf. Are you going to do the printing with leaf also? Once the session is over, make your bag. Okay, where's the bag? The bag is gone now. The bag, and show me. Okay. Yes.
Wait for a while.
Everybody is going to do this. Yes. Now today's activity. Right. Okay. Did you enjoy doing it? You can put more leaves also. You can have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lot of leaves. Okay. Fine. Very good, Zidane. I can see Zidane. I can see Abhi. Very nice. Okay. So done with your leaves. Put your leaves. We are back again. Put your leaves back. Okay. Krishang, very good. Ridhima, where's your leaves? I didn't see it. Yes. Lovely. Yes. Karanveer, very nice. Everybody's done well. Zen. Mohammed Zen is also good. Sakina, very good. Lovely. How many ever children I could see? I have seen your leaves. Okay. Now, activity time. It's a candy day. And what's the candy for today? We learnt about the leaves, L for leaves. We did counting of leaves. We did shapes with leaves. We did size with leaves. And we did leaf painting. We did the caterpillar who eats leaves. And now today, you can go in your garden. Take a small basket, okay, with you when you go in the garden. And you collect leaf. You collect nature, because nature is so beautiful. Okay, you want to see my garden? We can show you. It's so beautiful outside. And you go down and you collect not only leaves, but if you can collect twigs, if you can collect a small plant, if you can collect bark of the tree little bit, whatever you can collect, okay? Put it on a paper, okay? Stick it on a paper and put different, how Lubaina teacher has made long and short like this, no? See, like this, yes. Okay, put it on this, different, take a picture and send it to me, okay? Yes?
Lubaina ma'am, can they keep a leaf in the book also?
Yes, and I forgot that. Lovely, thank you for reminding. You know, this is a book. And
Ma'am, we
you must
can't
go.
hear you. It's gone mute.
No, we can hear Lubaina ma'am. You must have kept it from your
Yes.
side.
Now listen to me, okay? I'm little louder now. Now this is a book, okay? And you know, one of my friend, she loves leaves. So whenever she used to go to the garden, she would collect the leaves. And if you keep the leaves like that, they will die tomorrow. So what she did, she took all the leaves and put in this book. You want to see? Yes? Wow. And then she would press it in the book and the leaves would dry in the book. Sook jata tha. And then she would have a nice collection of leaves. She could keep this leaves for many, many months and years in the book, okay? So otherwise, if you keep this leaf in your house like this, it will die. So I will show you. Abracadabra. See. This is the dried leaf. Yes. And see, this leaf is not dying because she put it in the book. Now let's see. Where is it? 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 Where is another leaf? Here I can find it. Ooh. See, she's put a small leaf, round leaf. She loves leaf. And one more here. She's put another petal of flowers. You can collect flowers also. See, she's put petal of flowers. Yes. And where is it? Where is it? Oh, see, she likes the shape of this leaf. Yes. Okay. Sorry. Can you see?
Yes, we can see.
Yes. See, this is a different, and these are dried leaf. They don't have the color green, but when you dry them, they look like paper. Yes, and you can save it. And then sometimes you want to make a greeting card, no? You can put this and give it, okay? You can gift to your friend, birthday gift kar sakte ho, greeting card mein laga ke, okay? So these are different kind of leaf. Did you enjoy the lesson? Now who eats the leaf? The leaf is the food for the caterpillar. Some birds also use the leaf to make their nest. They will take the leaf and put it in the nest and they will stay. The leaf is very soft, no? That is why they put it in the nest like a bed and then they stay in the nest. Yes? Okay. So now let's see a video of the leaves falling down. And leaves are not always green. Sometimes they are orange in color. Sometimes they are brown in color. Sometimes they are green in color.
All the leaves are falling down, orange, yellow, red and brown, falling softly as they do, over me and over you. All the leaves are falling down, orange, yellow, red and brown. All the leaves are falling down, orange, yellow, red and brown, falling softly as they do, over me and over you. All the leaves are falling down, orange, yellow, red and brown.
Wow, that was fun. Yes, you know where I've come? I've come in my balcony. And I want to show you, I'm not in my room. I'm in my balcony. And I told you I have a nice garden. I want to show you. Jabin ji se can they see Munira teacher? Wow.
Yeah.
See, can you see my garden? It has beautiful leaves. It has beautiful, see, can you see there? There's a big tree and there are many, many plants around. And see, the tree is so big and lovely grass and lovely tree. Yes, And there are birds flying above the tree. Can you see? Yes. Oh my God, there's a cat. And see the bird flying, 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 flying. Yes. This is my beautiful garden. Yes. Everybody enjoyed? Did you like my garden or no? Yes.
Yes.
Everybody saw my garden. Will you come to my house? Yes? Yes, I will take you one day, okay? So for now, tell me everybody, enjoyed or no? Mute everybody, what did you like? Did you understand the leaf? Yes, Abba. Hi, Abba. How are you, Abba? So nice to see you, Abba. Yes, many new friends are coming in and they're all joining us for our program, okay? So now, today what you will do, you will go to your garden and you will select everything and take a picture and send it, okay? Yes? So now, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye to you. Enjoy.
Oh yeah, kids, it's time to say goodbye.
Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time.